Hey everyone, so I'm just slowly chipping away at my ChoroQ collection wish list, and today we have the Ferrari F355, and it is ChoroQ number Z-68. Alright, let's take a look at this guy, open this guy up. So there's separate mirror pieces, but I don't add the mirrors because I know I'm just going to break them off, when I pull them out for another review. It does look like it's the same blue metallic, so that's nice, but not for me. Alright. So you go with these photos here to see how comically it is different or how it's not different. I think the lower front half looks actually quite similar to the real photograph. The wheels here are accurate to the real, well, it doesn't have the yellow in the middle, but the shape of the wheel is actually similar to the real car as well. And the rear view, yeah, we got the little white in the taillights, the 4 exhaust tips, so not bad. Alright. So, let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's also 5 lug nut details there as well. Would definitely be nice if there was yellow there, though. We have the Ferrari Crest here. Let's see how good that is. Yeah, there's a red, white, a green, white, and red Italian colors there on the top part of it. This metallic blue is nice. It's very cool. I like it. And then we have the silver paint here for these, I'm going to guess those are the turn signals. Fog lights. The horse looks good. Ferrari badge again there, so it looks good. Couple vent details but no paint. I think this is this is a transparent canopy. Alright, but it looks black in most instances. And the rear window, I don't know if that's transparent or if it's solid. It's hard to say. But we have the vent detail here in the trunk. Looks alright. This little wing kicking up. I find the little scoops here on the side really funny. They're just so short, and abbreviated. It's great. The taillights are nicely done. They're just painted, but they're painted pretty well. The exhausts aren't the greatest. They're just blanked off. But they're so small, such a small diameter that I can kind of understand why there isn't any sort of depression there. I guess these must be vents on the real car too. Alright. Alright, let me back out here. We're zoomed in too much. So again, it's another fine ChoroQ. Yeah. Alright, let's see here, Z-68. And then I think this is like a copyright code. It looks like a production code. 19 and then the 8th month of 2019. And a bunch of other info, tell you what it is. Now these tires do look slab-sided compared to other ones. I don't know. I think they may have changed the tires. I kind of feel like this one should be a little more rounded. Maybe I'm mistaken. Well, I'll compare it to the other, a couple other ChoroQs I have now of Ferrari lineage. So let me get this spinning machine out. Take a look here in front of this Ferrari club meet. So I have a Ferrari 250 GTO. This is my first Ferrari to enter my ChoroQ collection, and it's still probably my favorite. There's just so many details, all the different print applications, and well, all the wheels are unique to each Ferrari. But you see, look at the front tire of this one. It looks taller. So let's just see. Yeah. I wonder if they did that on purpose because, an old 60s Ferrari would have much taller tires, but a modern one would have, low profiles. But let's see, I have an F50. Yeah, it has low profiles. Or, yeah, okay, so that's a conscious decision they made. That's interesting that they made that difference. It's pretty cool. The last one is a yellow F50. So let's just do this. top view here. And let's compare it to an actual 1/64 scale car. So this is the same blue. It's made by ChoroQ. And then since it's similar, I have a silver spider version, also by ChoroQ. Let's go to the top here. Just guess. It looks like it's maybe 2/3 the length of that ChoroQ. So they didn't shrink it down too much. But the width is quite similar. Alright. So let's get this guy spin on its own. Give it its due time. And we'll pull out this character here. Well, you know, since it's blue, I have this Toy Story Zerg. I remember this character was funny from the movie. I know nothing about this brand. Eugen? But I bought it because it's small. Right? It doesn't say when it was made. Yeah, it is Disney Pixar copyright, so maybe I don't know. I don't know the history of it. If anyone knows about Eugen, or maybe I'll have to do a search and see what other figures they've come out with. Because it's really hard to find cartoon figures that are around 1/64 scale. He's rolling on his wheels here. He actually has a flexible cape thing here as well. No posability though, which is understandable for something this small. I don't even remember what this is. What would that be? I haven't seen Toy Story in a long time. I also doubt this guy's going to actually stand on its own. I'll have to just lean him against the car. Alright. Okay, well, I might be done collecting the Ferraris of the Zero line. They do have a 355 racing version that has a wing on the back. But other than that wing, I think it's the same identical car. So, you know, these ChoroQs are so expensive that I don't feel a need to have every one of them. I just, you know, prefer to have one of each casting of a significant difference. So, we'll have to see. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I change my mind every other day, so. Alright, guys. Well, I appreciate you checking out the ChoroQs, and I'll keep on collecting them if you keep on watching. Alright, see ya.